Dear students, welcome you again on One Mark Solution. You can contact One Mark Solution on onemarksolution.com. You can follow us on Instagram as well as on Twitter. You can follow us on the Facebook group also. So in this video, we will discuss about the true and false questions, assertion and reason questions, and match the column question from Social Science Economics Class 10, Chapter Money and Credit. So the first question, Reserve Bank of India supervises functioning of the formal sources of credit. This is a true statement. Informal sources of credit include money, lenders, friends and traders. This is also a true statement. Grameen Bank is the success story that met the credit needs of the poor at reasonable rates in Bangladesh. This is also a true statement. For this work, Muhammad Yunus got Nobel. Now the assertion and reason question. As you know, assertion and reason, you will given a two statement. The one is assertion and other one is the reason. You have to select whether both are correct, both are incorrect, one is correct and other one is incorrect. And in the next step, you have to find out whether the reason is the correct explanation for the assertion or not. So by this, in this way, you have to choose the correct option from A, B, C, and D. So the first is assertion is that the terms of credit vary substantially from one credit arrangement to other, and the reason is interest rate, collateral are important terms of credit. The correct answer is both A and R. Assertion and reason are true, but R is not the correct explanation of A. Assertion, the modern currency is without any use of its own. Reason, this cannot be used every day like grain and cattle. So the correct answer is D, that both A and R are true, but R is not the correct. R is the correct explanation of A. Assertion says a digital transaction started by using bank-to-bank transfer through the internet, mobile phones, ATM, cards, etc. Reason is it will help to reduce the requirement of cash for transaction and also control corruption. So option D is again correct, that both A and R are true, and R is the correct explanation of A. Next, assertion says everyone prefers to receive payments in money. Reason is a person holding money can exchange it easily for any commodity for service. Then again the both assertion and reason are true, and R is the correct explanation of A. Next, assertion and reason question. Assertion is bank in India hold about 15% of their deposits as cash, and reason, the RBI monitors the bank if they are maintaining the cash balance. So the correct option is again A, that both A and R are true, but R is not the correct explanation of A. Assertion says cheap and affordable credit is crucial for the country's development. Reason, formal sector of credit meets about half of the total credit needs to the rural people. The answer is D, both A and R is true, and R is the correct explanation of A. Now match the column question. Auto rickshaw driver, a businessman whose factory has closed down, small traders, a person in government, and you have to match with the column B. So you can say auto rickshaw driver to buy his own vehicle. For this purpose, they will take the loan. A businessman whose factory has closed down, he will take loan to revive his business. A small trader will take loan to buy a shop or his house, and a person in a government service will take a loan to buy a house. You can see here the correct matches. So this is the true and false assertion, reason, and match the column questions from chapter 3, money and credit, social science economics, for class 10th. If you want detailed explanation of all these questions, explanation in an explanation where you can click on the link, you can visit the One Mark Solutions channel. Thank you so much. If you like the video, share the video and don't forget to subscribe the channel.